Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn the basic HTML tag like span, h1, h2, and so on. And we're also going to learn about p tag. So let's jump to the code part. Here we can make our first HTML file. I'm gonna give it name index.html. Alright, and then if you are a Visual Studio Code user, you can just simply write HTML and then enter. It will auto generate some basic HTML code for you. But don't worry, I will explain this for you. First, we have this doc type tag where it is going to tell the browser that this is the HTML document. And then we have this HTML tag where it is going to wrap all the HTML component in this file. Next, we have this head tag. In this head tag, you can put something like meta title, or even you can put something like something like link. This is well going to import some CSS file, or you can also put something like script tag. It's going to script tag with src. It's going to import some JS file. Alright, and below this head we have this body tag where it is going to wrap all the content in this index page. Different from the HTML. The HTML is going to wrap all the scripts, but the body is just going to wrap all the content. Alright, let's make our first content. It is going to be h1, and I will give it the text to hello world. Alright, let's see how it looks in website. I'm sorry. Alright, I will double click it, and boom, you can see it. This is the h1 tag. So we can next the by the way, wait a second. And the h1 tag is the biggest is the biggest is the biggest is the biggest tag is the biggest tag for making a text. And we also have h2, h3, h3, and so on to the h6. So we can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, it's going to be h2, it's going to be h3, it's going to be h4, h5, and then h6. Sorry, h6. Alright, let's refresh it. As you can see, the bigger the number, the smaller the text. This is the h1, h2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And I also forget to mention you about the title tag. The title tag is, is going to give our website a title. This is the title, and if we change it, and if we change the document to, for example, HTML1 as the folder name, we can see if I refresh, it changed. This is the title tag, and so now that we know about h1, h3, and so on, we can next to the p tag. The p tag is just showing a normal text, but it will give the text a paragraph style. Like for example, if I put some lorem here, as you can see, well, actually it's just a normal tag, but this tag is going to give but this tag is going to give the text some margin. All right. The next thing is going to be the span tag. The span tag is similar to P, but the span tag is not going to give anything. Like for example, if I will use lorem and then we refresh it, see, this will not giving anything. But if you want to add some style in this text, in this text, you will in this text, the span tag is the right choice, because if you are using the p tag, it will add the p tag styles too into your text. All right. The next thing is going to be the a tag. A This is an anchor tag. This tag can be used to make a link. Like for example, I want to make to page 1, and this is going to be page1.html. Alright, now we have to create a new HTML file, page1.html. Right? We same like that, HTML4. Then in here we're going to page 1, and we will be using h1 or h2, maybe h1, page 1. Alright, now if we refresh to it and if we click, it will redirect to page 1. Nice, but I think we can style it a little bit more by adding the br tag. The br tag is a tag for giving some enter space. Like if I example like this, and if I refresh it, see, it will move to the bottom of this text because it gives some enter space. Right? If I edit one, it will give one enter space. But I think something is not quite. Oh, I forgot it in here. Alright. Alright, as you can see, now that you will learn the basic of the HTML text, let's make a simple website using what you have been learned. We can just comment it. Like for example, we can make a h1 is equal to home page, and then we can make some p tag for the description. p tag, that's going to be lorem ipsum. We can make it a few. So let's see how it looks in the website. Nice. Next, we're going to make some link. Link a tag. It's going to be page1.html, and it's going to be page 1. And for giving the p tag to a tag some margin, some space, we can put a 2 br tag, br2. Let's see how it looks. Nice. Page 1. Next, we will be creating a page 2 and page 3, and we can give the br, but this one is going to be just one br for its length, and it's going to be page 2, page 3, page 2, page 3. Alright, now we can make a new HTML file, page2.html, and then page3.html. Alright, we can just HTML5, or we can copy and paste it from here. Copy and paste, copy and paste. By the way, in this Visual Studio Code, I use Ctrl D to automatically select the same text in this page 3. Let's see how it looks. Nice. But I think we also need 2 in here. And this is 1 because it already given the margin by P. If you are remember before, I said the P tag is having is giving some margin to this text, and the span is just empty stuff. Alright, let's see how it looks. Nice. If we click through it, it works. But maybe we can add some link to homepage to its page. We can say like a is referred to index.html, and then the text is going to be home page. Alright, we'll copy and then paste it here, and then we will paste it here. Alright, let's see how it looks. Click home page, click home page. Nice. Now that you are done with the first tutorial, and you will and you are already learned some of the basic tag in HTML. And in the next video, maybe we will learn the more complicated tags. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.